Hello and welcome to week 4 of the online particle physics course. In the past few weeks, we've been discussing about certain things like black body radiation, and we saw how Max Planck solved the black body radiation spectrum. We saw that it was blowing up, and Max Planck gave a brilliant suggestion that energy is transferred only in certain quanta. Okay, and any body can uh, either emit or absorb energy only in these quanta. And with that postulate, we saw that the black body radiation spectrum problem was solved. Albert Einstein took this problem a bit further, and he said, okay, light itself has this nature that it comes in certain quanta. So these quanta of light are of course called photons, and using this he solved the photoelectric effect problem. This was in 1905, and in 1913 Niels Bohr solved the problem of the structure of the atom. He said that the energy inside the atom come in some quantized energy levels, and these energy levels also have a certain property, the property of quantization of angular momentum. When one electron made a jump from one energy level to another, it emitted a certain photon equal to the difference between the two energy levels. We saw all of that in the last lecture. The question really is, what is the underlying theory that connects all of these three? Now these were all obviously mishmash of classical theory and quantum theory, and people didn't know what was happening. They just came up with these guesses and postulates, and things were working, but people were not that happy because there was no underlying unifying theory. And as theorists, we are always concerned about underlying theories, what connects all of these things together. In this week's lecture, we're going to discuss something which is extremely important. We're going to see this importance occurring again and again. As in the lectures to come, we'll see that what we are discussing today will form a very important part of our road forward. So